Sorry about that, guys. Today we're doing a video with the excavator. So freaking sunny. Frick sakes. Big giant dirt pile. More down there. You can see down at the woods. My target over at my friends. You can see about my target. You can kind of see the little box in the background. My trailer. And we're at the garage. Now I have to get my keys out, so this may be a minute. Alright, guys. We're approaching what this thing has. Guys, this video ain't real good. You can see out there. Hold on, I'm gonna try and put a light on. Oh, there we go. So here we, with the excavator, got your little trenching bucket on it. Got your grading, you got your ditch cleaning bucket. I call it scooper bucket. Then you got your 18-inch bucket back in here. Homemade tooth, it's a split wedge. Like, yeah, I took the mower deck off the tractor. I had to put a big freaking blade on it and put the 3-point hitch on it in that box. That's going to be a freaking hardy. This is a 320 Bobcat. Starts and runs nice. It says 320 if I lift that thing up. But it's a 320 Bobcat. Diesel Kubota engine. Runs just great. It don't got the fast speed travel. It's got the boom swing, and I'm putting a thumb on it. I'm going to put a thumb and a quick attach on it. So I'm about to mount the thing probably like right up here. The hydraulic cylinder. Put a thumb. It's a homemade thumb. My neighbor, he's a welder and stuff. And got 2,000, it's about to hit 3,000 hours. It's a cool freaking machine. It got the little push blade in the back. It was up, but it sunk down. Machine's about 3 feet wide. You got your little tow hook under there. If you're putting it on a trailer, you have to put your binders up to it and stuff. I recommend putting chains on it. I put a chain. I put a strap through the bucket, a big heavy duty strap. 2 chains up under there, 2 binders. Then in the back, I hooked 2 chains up right here, 2 binders, like on each side. The guy he hauled it here didn't do as well. He hooked up in here and like a freaking moron. Like, he put the strap in the back and put 2 chains on everything. Like, what a freaking knob. Like, I don't mean that, but like, he's a freaking moron. Like, you know, like, really, little freaking moron there. But I'll show you the drop off when I dug out the hill and crap and cleaned all the crap out. It's so freaking muddy. I put in a French drain right down through there. but I dug out a whole bunch of freaking crap. So, a little bit. I like to put in that pipe. Jeez, I like to put in that pipe. My 2 weed whackers. You see, this one's the brand new one. I just got like 4 months ago. I used it for like a month or 2. I'm done. Nothing to see back here, just my workshop. And shelf with grease guns on it. Flashing light for the excavator I broke. Garage doors down. Coming over from a job. Well, it wasn't down. It was like halfway. I'm like, just go open it halfway. So I bring it in. I get in. I parked it over here then. The bucket was right there. I'm over at the workbench. I look up. You can see over on there where the light in the middle, the flashlight was jiggled down. And the wire was just on the beam. The roll cap, or the roll cage. It was just like I had it tangled up around there because it's like a cigarette plug I forgot to put in. But it was all ready. And it was just like jiggling up there like... Oh, my roof needs welded. Oh, jeez. It does have glow plugs. I can't start it because there's dirt in the diesel and stuff, but 320 Bobcat, signing out. Yak my bucket. See ya.